Alright, welcome to Southern Waypoints. We're going to clean a red snapper and then we're going to cook it. So I'm going to do this, fairly quick. I usually take my time and I'm going to focus on the fish, not me, really. Let's do that, okay? So I take me a knife. You can use, this is a Dexter, or this is the Bubba Gump or the Big Bubba, whatever. Okay, y'all know what that is. So I take and I start, and you want to kind of slice underneath the scales like this and come all the way around to the head, okay? Just like that. And then I just take the knife and I slide it right along the backbone, all the way down. Keep it flush against the backbone, like that, coming down. You can feel the backbone sticks up right there. That's why I don't go all the way through. And then when I get down to the end, it doesn't get as high, so I go all the way through and then I cut through the end. Then I lift up what I've cut right here and finish the cut now with my knife. Be careful with your thumb, but lift it up and then run right along the backbone, just like that, like this. And then you go up and over. I go up and over. Some people come cut the other side, but I just kind of tilt my knife downward like that and cut on the other side of the fish like that and come out like so, like that. And then I'll turn it around, and there's a couple bones right here that you need to cut through, okay? So I'm like that, and then I have my knife at an angle. There, let me cut through that bone right there. There it goes. And then I just come at an angle, okay, right through there, and follow those rib cages all the way down, just like that, okay? I cut a little bit of that rib cage out, but I try to get all the meat. Then I come through. Everybody knows how to skin a fillet, and then try to let the knife do the work. The key is having a really sharp knife, right? And let it come all the way through and glide through. And then really, all you've got is a couple pin bones right in the middle. I cut those out like that. And then if you have anything on this side, I just like to clean it up. Make the fillet look nice. Then if you want to, you can cut this red meat out of the back. And if you ever cut toward yourself, you better be very careful. I always tell people not to. So I cut that bloodline out, clean up the outsides, make it look really nice. There's your fillet. And then I clean it in salt water. I have a bucket of salt water right over here. Clean the fillet, and there it is. And we're gonna do a snapper Veracruz tonight. So stay tuned.